Ooh, caught it. Caught it. I called it too. Right in my face. That's the main issue with this dryer. No matter what setting it's on, it keeps doing that. We then took it apart and then fixed it, and apparently fixing wasn't enough for it. And went back to this. Like, you can't even see the blinking. Like, I was just flinching. Bro, 1 minute is crazy. It's about to go off in a second. Called it. Yeah, I'm sorry for ruining it, but... Is it because it's full of dust? Almost. But that doesn't really fix it either. And it's still damp. Very damp. Okay, some spots are warm, some spots are not, but something's up with this.